Good day and welcome. This is University of ABUJA Chemistry Post UTME Past Question 2. The movement of liquid molecules from the surface of the liquid to the gaseous phase above it is known as A. Brownian motion, B. Zigzag motion, C. Evaporation, and D. Liquefaction. And when you're given a question like this, to analyze critically, we look at each of the options. Now, what is Brownian motion? Brownian motion refers to the erratic random movement of microscopic particles in a fluid, air, or any other medium. So whenever you hear of an erratic or random motion of a particle, now it is referred to as random motion, either in a liquid, in a fluid, or in air. You notice the motion of smoke particles. Now these are Brownian motion. Zigzag erratic motion. Now we have zigzag motion. Now this zigzag motion is a way of describing a random motion. So it's just like a metaphor for a random motion. It's not actually a motion in itself. Now we have evaporation. You notice that when you keep a fluid such as water or petrol, after a period of time, you notice that the content begin to reduce due to evaporation at the surface. And this evaporation actually refers to a kind of vaporization. Now what is vaporization? Evaporation is a type or a kind of vaporization. Now what is vaporization? Vaporization is simply the change of state from liquid to gas. So when a substance changes from liquid to gas, we call it vaporization. But now evaporation is a kind of vaporization. It is special because it occurs only at the top. Now the molecules of such liquid at the top that have been energized or that have required energy escape or break free from the intermolecular forces that hold the particles of the liquid together. So it is a kind of change of state process where liquid changes to gas at the surface. Also we have liquefaction. Liquefaction is simply as the word implies, is the process that generates a liquid from a solid. Now generates a liquid from a solid. It's a simple process or a complex process where a liquid is generated from a solid. So from these illustrations, we have that Brownian motion is an erratic motion. It is not our answer. We have that zigzag motion is a way of describing the Brownian motion, which is not our answer. I told you that liquefaction is a process where liquids are formed from solids. But evaporation is actually similar to what is being said. The molecules of liquid, or the liquid molecules from the surface of the liquid to gaseous phase. Now the movement of liquid molecules from the surface to gaseous phase is known as evaporation. That's option C. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.